Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale this absolutely gorgeous Triumph Thruxton 1200R. So this one is a 2016 on a 66 plate. It's on 7,731 miles from new, and it's covered in extras. So I'll start with the R. So what an R is, normal Thruxton, but with shower, big piston, upside down forks, and also the Brembo monobloc brakes. And you also get the Ohlins rear shock. So that's the big part of what a Thruxton is. What a Thruxton R is, sorry, should I say. This one's got the little mini LED indicators. It's got the bar and mirrors. It's got a full front to back Vance Hines exhaust system that sounds unreal. They come with the seat cowl on there. This has got a nice tail tidy on there as well. These use a 1200 parallel twin Bonneville engine, but this is the high power engine rather than the high torque one. So a little bit more ponies in there. And you do get the LED lights on the front as well as a daytime running light and also riding modes as well. So an absolutely wicked bike. This one is the cafe as well, so it's got the front screen, headlights around on there as well, which I know is a really, really popular option. But yeah, they're an all-round, super, super, super cool, really retro bike, but with modern tech on there as well. So they always sell really, really quick. So if you do fancy it, give us a call. I'll get down to the showroom and get it bought. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.